In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file that customers can download in Shopify. This is a helpful feature if you wish to provide your customers with additional resources, guides, product specifications, or any other PDF documents directly from your Shopify store. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to access your Shopify admin panel. Once there, navigate to the section labeled Content. When you click on it, you'll see an option for files. This is where all your uploaded content resides, and it's where we're going to upload our PDF file. Click on Files, and once the page loads, you'll notice an interface that allows you to manage your files. Take a moment here to organize yourself if necessary. When you're ready, go ahead and upload your desired PDF file. Once you've selected the file from your device, Shopify will upload it to its system. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the size of your document. After the upload completes, you'll see your PDF file listed among the existing files. Now, here's a neat little trick. Hover your cursor over your newly uploaded PDF, and you'll see a small icon appear on the far right side. This is the copy link icon. Clicking on it will copy the direct link to your PDF file, ensuring that you can easily share it or use it across your store. With the link to your PDF ready, let's move on to the next part, which involves linking it within a product description. Go to any product on your store that you want your customers to have access to this PDF. When you're in the product page, click on the Edit option for its description. Here's the fun part. Within the product description editor, you can enter any text you'd like. For example, download our product guide here, or something similar that suits the context. Once you've typed your desired text, highlight it. With the text highlighted, look for a link icon in the toolbar. Click on it to insert a hyperlink. A small window will pop up, prompting you to paste the link. This is where you paste the link you copied earlier from the Files section. Shopify will take care of the rest, ensuring that the text now serves as a clickable link to your PDF. After everything is set, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And there you have it. All it takes are these few simple steps to make a PDF downloadable in Shopify. This is a great way to enhance your customers' shopping experience by providing them with valuable additional content right from your product pages. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!